What's up, guys? It's your girl, Ain. So we're back for another episode. Jom lepak with me. I tak faham kenapa. Kenapa I masih single? I nak juga kasih sayang. Kenapa?
Sorry. I saw you from far away there.
Okay.
Just a random question.
Oh,
Does your feet hurt?
it kinda does. Yeah.
No wonder. Because you've been running on my mind all day.
Sini duduk. Lepak Mimi! Hi, Winnie.
Hi,
Oh my
nice to
God.
see you.
Thanks for your time. And then I tahu you busy kan?
I busy.
Tapi
busy.
sebab you datang.
I freekan masa juga.
Betul ke?
Yes.
Betul janji busy.
Betul, janji.
So can you just share with me maybe like what do you do for a living?
I'm a sports enthusiast. Like you also. You were a national rower, right? See, I've done my research.
Okay.
National rower. So I was into rugby when I was in high school.
No way.
Yes, I played for KL, MSSM.
For real?
For real.
My dad was national rugby player
Ush, serious ah?
Yeah.
Which year?
ages ago, but dia was in Black Hawk.
Black Hawk.
Yeah, Air Force.
Air Force, yes, the UDM. Yeah.
Rugby.
B.
Okay, on 3. Rugby. Okay, continue. Let's go.
And then lepas daripada sekolah, I was into music. Actually, I was into music since I was into singing since I was 6, 7.
So since kecil lah.
7. Okay.
So deep. But okay, I love it. 6, 7. Okay.
And then I masuk in singing very late lah. I think 2 years ago, very new when I was in degree. So now what I do is I dah nak habis my studies. Thank you.
Thank you.
I dah nak habis my studies and while doing music on the side lah. And I'm looking for a job.
Oh,
Music.
you're still studying.
Yeah, dah nak habis lah. Next year habis lah.
What course that you are taking right now?
International Trade and Marketing. So
Wow.
it's, you love it?
You tahu tak dia apa?
Tak tahu.
You tak tahu?
Tak tahu apa ni?
Aduh, kena buat crash course ke?
Okay.
This one macam clocked it. Period.
Okay.
Okay, macam ni je.
Okay, so I kena buat-
Kalau macam ni macam clap.
Okay. Okay.
In a silence.
So means kalau you buat something like
Like
really
amazing, wonderful, yeah.
clap. I got
And I'd be
it.
like, period.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I nak tanya, nak macam since small is memang nak jadi penyanyi ke?
It has always been. Tapi I was a shy kid, so I didn't want to tell people, oh, I want to be a singer when I got. No, I was not very vocal about it. So I just kept quiet and I didn't know what was the first thing I wanted to do. Sebab kita budak kan, but I always love singing and music. So I always know that I wanted to be a singer lah. In whatever I do.
And you are want to continue even more to another level lah, obviously, kan?
Yes, hopefully. To the next level.
When you achieve that, you dah masuk Big Alpha stage, kan? Would you, I would say in a way that would you consider it macam it's just like a trap, a city trap, like macam it's just a dream, it's just a delulu thing to do, or like how would you describe it? Yeah, in a way.
Honestly, I think city kan memang macam, you know, there's a lot of opportunity, especially
Yes.
in music. And you can do a lot of connections. It's very fast paced, but at the same time, I think macam sometimes we forget that we are not only chasing dreams. At the same time, we are chasing time, expectations, and money. So sometimes I always tell myself, macam I always get busy and bila I'm always busy, I can selalu macam it's not necessarily happy. You know what I mean? So I always okay, you know what? Take a step back, relax, be present. Itu yang paling
Oh, I
penting.
love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel that especially young people nowadays, it's all about fast pace for them. Yeah, they want to be like the best, and it's so very competitive between all of them. You
Yeah,
know, like
agree.
macam, oh, aku ada kereta baru, oh, aku pun nak juga. And then the FOMO starts
FOMO.
to kicks in, like, walaupun you cannot afford to do that, but
Betul.
they still want to compete.
Betul.
Like, but I love that, you know, keep a reminder to stay back and then just maybe reset everything and
Yeah.
everything. Back to our first question again, you tak rasa benda like being in the city is a trap? It's more like an opportunity lah.
It's more like an opportunity. But it's like, you know, sometimes kita rasa macam like you said, itu FOMO kan. Macam semua kita kena cepat. Kalau lambat je aku tinggal. Kan? So macam I rasa macam it's not the city, it's the
It's
people.
yourself.
It's us.
Yes.
We are putting the pressure on ourselves.
Right now, are you like staying on your own or you staying with your family?
I stay with my family right now. Yeah.
Still with your family.
With my parents and my sister.
Would you consider that as your home or like make it like the home itself is a home or the people or the routine that you buat complete it as a home? You get what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you
Yeah.
mean. For me, home is not about the physical place or where I live, kan? It's about the people. Macam,
Yeah,
for
I
example,
agree.
macam hari tu dekat rumah, because my parents, they are always on and off balik kampung tau. So bila orang tak ada for a few months, 2 months, it doesn't feel like home when they're not at home. So it's just like a place for me to berteduh.
And then you feel that macam rasa empty sikit lah
Macam
bila dia
empty
tak
sikit.
ada. Walaupun sometimes kadang-kadang
Walaupun kakak I je ada kat rumah, tiba-tiba dia pula rasa macam aku bukan home ke untuk kau?
what you talking about? Dia satu kan?
Tapi macam bagi I macam it's the place lah. Same like dulu saya duduk asrama. Asrama was my second home. So bila I datang balik, it doesn't feel the same because it's the people.
It's the people.
Kan?
Yeah, betul-betul. In Malaysia right now kan, local brand is getting more acknowledgement. Even the quality also getting better from time to time kan. Tapi kalau you, would you support them in a way that you think that we are here to support the local? Ataupun you rasa, oh actually mahal juga kan walaupun local punya brand ni?
So honestly, I think it's both, and also it depends sebab I think it's intention versus ability. Sometimes me as an artist, of course, I love to support local because at the end of the day, local people will support me as well.
Yes.
Kan? But then sometimes kita rasa macam kalau local mahal and ada brand international yang lagi murah, of course I will go for brand international, betul tak? And likewise lah.
Betul.
So I think it's just both lah. Depends on, it doesn't depends on orang kata preference. So kalau I prefer yang ni lagi cantik and lagi murah, I just go for this.
I just want to say, I want to thank you so much for your time today. I really enjoy it.
Thank you for having
But
me.
at first I was like,
Boleh ke dia ni?
did it? Fine ke? But you memang such a fun
Thank
babi.
you.
I wish you all the best for your future endeavors and your whatever that you love to do in this world. Kita lepak next joints.
Next time,
Next joints.
In Mitari also?
Mitari, so
Yes.
maybe a different branch.
Mitari, we'll make sure Mitari is our second home. It's the people.
It's the people, babes.
Are you a foodie with bottomless appetite? Because we made a top 8 and unlimited ramen refills just for you.
From hand-pulled beef ramen and barbecue skewers to juicy dumplings and stir-fried lime cumin, these are the dishes that KL keeps coming back for. And the best part, guys, order any soup noodles and keep the noodle refills coming unlimited and on us. Makanlah sampai kenyang, jewels. Available across all 6 Mi Tarik Jalan Sultan outlets.
And think you can handle it? Order now on GrabFood and click the link to our website to see our full menu.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Macam encik macam keseorangan dekat sini. Boleh saya duduk kat sini?
Boleh.
Boleh lah kan?
Boleh,
Apa kita dalam dunia ni kan kadang-kadang kena lah buat hati mulia kan?
Kita kadang-kadang seorang-seorang.
Yalah kan, betul juga kan. So kita ada bersama dengan, you might to introduce yourself to the peeps
D-Boy
around here.
Hamdan.
Oh, D-boy eh?
D-Boy.
As in like,
No.
oh bukan.
Itu B-Boy. B-Boy. Salah.
Okay, sorry. So, Encik D-Boy buat apa sebenarnya? Like, boleh tak introduce a little bit to me sebab saya nak mengenali lah. Lepas tu nak panggil D-Boy je lah.
Panggil D-Boy je.
D-Boy je, okay? Okay.
Saya full-time actor. Memang dah lama daripada 2004. Kalau full-time betul-betul, memang itu dah kerja saya, berlakon. Kadang-kadang ada juga buat belakang, pentas. Tapi start dengan teater lah.
Memang daripada sejak azali ke nak memang impian ni nak berlakon ataupun dia tiba-tiba macam jadi berlakon?
Impian tu tak ada sebenarnya. Tak ada terfikir. Dulu nak jadi askar. I nak follow my father. My father Major Besara Hamdan Tahir.
Tentera darat?
Tentera darat.
My father Air Force.
Air Force.
Yes, retired Air Force.
Dia signal. Ada radio-radio jadi
Nice.
bahayalah
Okay,
sikit
okay,
dia
okay.
boleh detect kita kan. Lepas tu tapi tak tahu macam mana kerja Pos Malaysia and then jadi pelakon.
Wow.
Sama belajar lah dekat Aswara.
I feel that dalam industri berlakon ni kan, dia sangat macam luas.
Ya.
Kan? Dia sangat luas, and then especially membesar dekat Kuala Lumpur, there's so many opportunities. Macam kalau orang daripada luar Kuala Lumpur, daripada macam kampung and everything, kalau apa-apa nak cari rezeki peluang pekerjaan je, dia orang mesti nak pergi KL.
Betul. Mesti.
What do you feel about that? You rasa macam betul ke Siti dream tu, macam impian untuk bekerja dekat Siti tu betul-betul a dream? Ataupun you rasa tu macam itu dia lulu itu just like macam mana dia KL tu just biasa-biasa je. What do you think about that?
KL memang lubuk lah. Kata lubuk cari rezeki. Saya dah cuba banyak macam. Dulu saya pernah lari kejap pergi dekat Johor, pergi dekat Negeri Sembilan, pergi dekat Melaka. Tapi macam mana pun saya patah balik.
Patah balik kat KL.
Yes.
Are you still living with your family ataupun you memang dia duduk sendiri?
Saya duduk lompat-lompat. Dulu.
Macam mana tu?
Sekarang dah habis dekat satu tempat lah. Ceras. Kita rumah tu kita buat studio sekali. Jadi dah duduk dengan kawan.
So susah tak berdikari on your own tu waktu
Ya.
ditinggalkan oleh family tu?
Sangat susah.
Sangat
Sebab
susah,
dulu kita semua makan tanggung.
Betul.
Sewa tak payah bayar. Transport pakai kereta ayah.
Ya.
Now lepas dia orang dah pergi, dah kena cek rumah sendiri, sewa
Aduh.
sendiri. Umur 24 dok. 25 macam tu lah. Baru belajar hidup sendiri.
Erti kesusahan
Ya.
yang betapa susahnya, dan how bersyukurnya kita kepada parents kita kan, dia orang tak pernah pula complain and everything, and then
tak pernah lah.
tu nangis ke apa tu?
Dia macam
tiba-tiba mata berair
gatal-gatal.
ke berlakon. You kan sekarang stay on your own and everything kan.
Okay.
What do you think macam kalau kadang-kadang kita balik rumah tu, rumah kadang is just a place, tempat untuk kita just duduk, and then rumah untuk rehat and everything, penat bekerja semua. But in your definition, apa yang membuatkan rumah tu rumah?
Rumah ni ya, ada banyak definisi.
Banyak definisi,
Tapi
yes.
Untuk saya rumah tu tempat yang kita rasa kita nak hidup dan mati di situ. Jadi macam saya rasa rumah tu macam dululah. Sekarang pun saya rasa masih rindu lagi rumah tu, iaitu Istana Budaya.
This is very
Ya, sebab
interesting.
saya start dengan teater musikal. Jadi
Sampai terjatuh dengar kejap.
Ya.
Betul ke balik?
okay, kita start dengan teater musikal.
Wow.
Jadi daripada habis belajar daripada Aswara tu, kita terus sambung ke Istana Budaya, musikal non-stop, daripada P. Ramlee, PGL, Cuci Musikal, Supermob Musikal, Olah Bola Musikal, banyak musikal lah. Pentas tu dah jadi macam dunia saya dengan kawan-kawan yang ada, dengan tim yang ada, yang kita gelak ketawa. Sebab boleh kata 80% masa tu live saya dekat situ.
That's a lot.
Ada satu cerita tu sampai atuk saya meninggal pun saya dekat pentas. Itu cerita yang benar lah. Masa tu tengah menari tengah show, gatal tangan buka phone, tengok mesej atuk meninggal. Tapi saya kena teruskan buat show ni.
Ya, sebab it's a live show kan.
Tapi itu passion kita, live kita. Jadi kawan-kawan kita kat situ. Jadi saya rasa rumah tu sebenarnya tempat yang kita rasa happy, passion kita, dan kita rasa kalau kata hidup mati kita kat situ lah.
Wow. Kita duduk dekat KL ni, cost living sangat tinggi.
Memang.
Especially right now with what happening kan in the world. Macam semua sangat tak dijangka-jangka. So macam us supporting local brand,
Okay.
of course dalam deep down in our heart kita nak support local. Sebab
Mesti.
kita nak, biasalah kan local brand takkan lah. Tapi you rasa benda tu macam something yang kita semua boleh mampu, ataupun it's a luxury?
Macam saya pakai kereta pun kereta lokal. Sebab hati kita nak support lokal, kita beli kereta lokal. Tapi itulah kadang-kadang hajat tu nak beli tapi tak kesampaian kerana harga dia.
Harga dia terlampau tinggi.
Ya, betul.
Maaf cakap,
Ya.
memang mahal. I nak support juga, tapi kadang-kadang dia bukan tak nak support, dia macam fikir 2-3 kali
macam
lah.
nak beli kasut pun. Macam contoh kasut.
Cantik.
Cantik kita nak pakai hari-hari kan. Kita bukannya orang kaya-kaya kan. Nak
InsyaAllah,
pakai.
insyaAllah,
InsyaAllah,
sunnah.
amin lah kan. Tapi kalau kita nak beli sekarang, macam macam tu.
Faham. So kita kena hidup sederhana lah kan. I love that. Oh my god, thank you so much Devoy for your time today. I really enjoy, and thank you for sharing you punya.
Thank you ajak juga datang.
Of course. I rasa macam this is something new and refreshing to hear. And then thank you to share your insights semua to us, and hopefully we'll see you again.
Hopefully one day kita dapat berlakon satu
Mana
set
tahu kan. So thank you so much guys to lepak with me, and then I'll see you guys on the next episode.
full time actor.
What?
full-time
Really?
actor.
Cik, padahal dah tahu dah tadi.
It's all yours.
I tengok you dah kenyang.
Serious ah.
Serius. Okay, dah boleh stop kot Chris.
Boleh ke? Semua ni untuk you.
Oi, you tak makan ke?
Tak kan cakap I'm on calories deficit.
Oh,
I think
okay.
you pun dah.
Dah kenyang. Senang bela.
Makan.